In this short tutorial, you will learn how to reset your YouTube recommendations on the mobile app. Sometimes, YouTube recommends videos that you are not interested in or no longer want to see. Resetting your recommendations can help make your YouTube experience more enjoyable. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app, then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see an option called Your Data in YouTube. Just tap on it. What you want to do next is scroll down until you see an option called Manage Your YouTube Watch History. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option to delete. Tap on it. Then select the Delete All Time option. Then tap on the Delete button at the bottom right to confirm it. This will clear all the videos you have watched and help reset your recommendations based on new content you interact with. Keep in mind that it may take some time for the changes to take effect as YouTube learns from your new interactions. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.